Jumia partnered with Miracle to enhance its marketplace advertising capabilities by deploying Miracle Ads, a retail media solution that optimizes performance for both first-party and third-party sellers. This allows Jumia to accelerate monetization with AI-powered sponsored product ads. The retail media sector is rapidly growing, expected to reach $204 billion by 2027, and Jumia's adoption of Miracle Ads positions the company at the forefront of digital advertising innovation in Africa. With growing usage across its platform, Jumia can capitalize on this momentum by delivering improved advertising tools to sellers and more relevant, personalized product recommendations to customers. According to Francis Dufay, CEO of Jumia, the partnership will empower sellers with smarter tools, deliver a better customer experience, and unlock new revenue streams while deepening engagement across the platform. The collaboration was swift, with Jumia launching Miracle Ads in just 2 months, showcasing the platform's ease of integration and fast time to value. The solution equips Jumia's advertising ecosystem with advanced automation, AI-powered optimization, and seamless campaign management. With Miracle Ads, all advertisers can now boost their sales by leveraging advertising campaigns in several African countries, including Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, Nigeria, Senegal, Egypt, Algeria, Morocco, and Ivory Coast. Adrian Nussenbaum, co-founder and co-CEO of Miracle, stated that the partnership is a powerful validation of Miracle's platform and will enable sellers to grow faster and customers to benefit from a more relevant experience. While supporting Jumia's ambition to grow gross profit and accelerate its path to profitability, Jumia also launched its largest integrated warehouse in Egypt, located on the Suez Road in Cairo. The facility, which spans over 27,000 square meters, was inaugurated in the presence of several high-ranking Egyptian officials, including the Prime Minister, Minister of Communications and Information Technology, and Governor of Cairo. The warehouse is expected to create thousands of direct and indirect job opportunities through Jumia's ecosystem over the coming years, with estimates suggesting around 10,000 jobs. It will also enhance storage and distribution efficiency, particularly in underserved areas such as Upper Egypt. The Egyptian Prime Minister, Dr. Mostafa Madbouly, praised Jumia's successes in the Egyptian market and welcomed this new investment, stating that it reflects the trust that major global companies have in Egypt's investment climate. According to Abdelatif Alama, CEO of Jumia Egypt, the new facility improves how Jumia serves millions of customers and sellers across the country, strengthens support for local manufacturers, drives job creation, and advances Egypt's digital economy. The warehouse is seen as a launchpad for innovation and growth, not just in Egypt but for the entire region. This investment is part of Jumia's broader infrastructure expansion across Africa, following the successful launch of a new warehouse in Ivory Coast in April. Egypt also serves as one of Jumia's largest tech hubs, with a growing team of engineers developing digital and logistics solutions to support operations continent-wide. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.